Hi everyone, and welcome to another Cloudpermit tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how you can change your password to your Cloudpermit account. To begin, please log into your Cloudpermit account. I'll log in here using my credentials, type in my email address, followed by my password. Now once I'm logged in, I'll go to the top right of the window where it says my name. I'll click the downward facing arrow. I'll click my profile. I'll scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen where it says change password. I'll type in my current password under the current password bar. Under the new password bar, I'll input a new password that I'd like to use. I'll click enter, and voila, my password has been changed. And please remember, you can only use moderate or strong passwords for your Cloudpermit passwords.